Okay, now when you want to go to Kahoot, then you have to go to kahoot.com. Okay, in kahoot.com you have to click, first you have to click on this site, Kahoot learning games. Okay, now this is you will see this particular page, and then you have to sign up. You have, if you have not signed up, if you're already then you can directly log in by using your Google account. So I can username or password, or directly you can go to continue with Google. So I'm signing with my Google account. This is how the interface of Kahoot site looks like. If now this is again the free version. If you want a pro version, then you have to pay for it. Now this is free version. Let us create some quizzes here. This is again a gamified learning tool. Now let us understand this. Now, for example, to create, you have to click here on this blue button, create. Then Kahoot, we have, if what you want to create polls, interactive quizzes, then you have to click here. Okay, then blank canvas, you want to create templates. Since I want to create a new, so I will click on blank canvas. Okay, now I want to put a question to the student and one picture for it. Let us put this question. For example, who proposed the theory of multiple intelligences? Now, option, for example, I can put Jean Piaget, Howard Gardner, Jerome Bruner, and David Alzheimer. Now, for students to give hint, you can put a picture also here. You can search for picture directly for it from internet, or you can upload an image. So to upload image, you can click on upload image here, and directly here I have saved one picture. That picture you can insert. Okay, so then see there are more options. Quiz, time limit. If you want to reduce the time for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or increase to 30 seconds, depending on the level of the student, you can do the standard points. Standard of 1 point. Then standard points are there. Then single select. Okay, so means only one answer is there. Now I have to check, assign the correct answer. So, who proposed the theory of multiple intelligence? Obviously, Howard Gardner. So I am putting the Howard Gardner as correct answer. Other three are a wrong answer. So if you want to add questions, you can add questions. Okay. Now, for this, I will say that I have to save this. So I am saving this. So save. I have to give title. So I can give title as maybe theories of intelligences. Okay, and say continue. And you can say now done. Okay, so you can see your this particular uh, 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 quiz or one question on theory of intelligence is ready. Now I have to assign this to my student. So when I say assign, you will see here date, time, when you want, by which date, these all these changes you can make, and by which time they have to. Now July 5, you can change it to some other date. So maybe July 3. By tomorrow they have to answer. Immediately they have to answer. Then since here this is not pro version, the player limit is only 10. 10 student can, if you want to increase, then you have to upgrade the present scheme. Okay, so now we can say create. Okay, now you can see here there is a link which you can send it to the student, and there is another pin which is there. So I have to copy this pin, which you can again share with the student. Now, when you are creating a quiz on Kahoot, you have to go to Kahoot. Now, when the students wants to answer the question which is there, now they have to go to Kahoot.it, and there you have to go to Kahoot.com when you are creating it. Now, as a student, I am opening it and putting my pin and say enter. You can send to the student on mobile. They can download Kahoot. They can download, for example, Mentimeter. They can download Ment. Now you have to put your nickname. Let us say I'm putting Pandit 21. Okay, and say okay, go. Now the question will come to you. The topic theory of intelligence. Yes, the question comes: who proposed the theory of multiple intelligences? Option. Okay. Correct. So then you can say next. Okay, so then you can see how the gamified aspect is been added here, and student enjoy such type of. Now let us understand by going to this slide that how many players have played. So if you click on players, yes, then name Pandit 21, rank 1, correct answer 100%, final score. So like this, you can about various students, you can get rank of the students. So when they answer what their final score is, you can easily get how many correct answers they have got. And this is how you can use Kahoot to prepare uh, the fun learning or fun learning activities and fun assessment activities.